In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your WordPress subscription. Managing subscriptions is an essential part of making the most out of any service, and sometimes you just need to take a step back and reassess what you need. Whether you're downsizing, switching platforms, or simply no longer using WordPress, this tutorial will guide you through the entire cancellation process so you can handle it with ease and avoid any confusion along the way. Now, if you don't already have a WordPress account, but want to explore the platform for yourself, you can use the link in the description to sign up. With that said, let's dive into the steps. First, head over to www.wordpress.com. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Login button. This will take you to the login screen where you'll need to enter your credentials, your username or email along with your password. Alternatively, if you use a Google account to log in, you can simply click on Continue with Google. From there, select the Google account that's linked to your WordPress subscription. If prompted, make sure to grant WordPress the necessary permissions to access your Google account information by clicking Continue. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to your dashboard, also known as the My Home screen. From here, move your cursor over to the top right corner of the page where you'll see your name displayed. Hover over it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on My Profile. Once you're on your profile page, look for the Purchases option. This is where you'll find all the transactions and subscriptions associated with your WordPress account. Click on Purchases, and you'll see a list of all your active and past subscriptions. Now, locate the specific subscription you want to cancel. Take a moment to double-check that you've selected the correct one before proceeding. Click on the subscription to bring up its details. Here, you should see an option to cancel the subscription. Go ahead and click on it. It's important to note that this step is what officially starts the cancellation process, so make sure you're ready to confirm this decision. At this point, WordPress may ask you a few questions or provide prompts related to your cancellation. For instance, they might offer alternatives like downgrading your plan instead of canceling entirely. If you're certain you want to cancel, go ahead and follow the prompts to proceed. Before finalizing your cancellation, you'll be presented with some final confirmation messages. These messages are important because they explain what happens next, such as when your site will lose access to premium features and when it will revert to a free plan. Take your time to read these carefully to ensure there are no surprises later. Once you've reviewed the information, confirm your cancellation. After this, you should receive an email from WordPress confirming that your subscription has been successfully canceled. This email is important, as it serves as proof of your cancellation, so make sure to keep it in a safe place for your records. And that's it. You've now successfully canceled your WordPress subscription. Taking control of your subscriptions is a smart way to manage your online tools and resources, and now you know exactly how to handle it on WordPress. If you have any questions or tips to share about managing WordPress subscriptions, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.